Welcome to the DV Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights on security, surveillance, and advanced communication solutions. Today, we're focusing on a growing trend that's transforming personal safety. Personal security cameras such as body cams and dash cams, which provide an extra layer of protection and evidence collection. These compact devices are no longer reserved for law enforcement. They've become essential tools for everyday individuals who value safety, accountability, and peace of mind. In a world where personal security matters more than ever, personal cameras provide an additional layer of protection. Whether you're driving, walking, or working in public, these devices capture real-time video evidence that can be invaluable during unexpected incidents. A dash cam records what happens on the road, helping drivers prove fault in accidents, prevent insurance fraud, and monitor surroundings while parked. Meanwhile, body cameras offer hands-free documentation during daily activities. From delivery drivers and security officers to real estate agents and healthcare workers, having visible video protection can deter confrontations and ensure transparency. Beyond capturing events, these cameras empower users with evidence-based truth. When something goes wrong, a dispute, a hit and run, or even a personal emergency, recorded footage can validate your actions, support investigations, and protect your reputation. Modern personal cameras feature high-definition video, GPS tracking, night vision, and cloud storage, allowing users to access and share recordings instantly. At DV Comm Systems, we understand that security doesn't stop at the workplace or home, it's personal. That's why we help individuals and businesses integrate personal cameras into their broader security ecosystem, ensuring reliable performance, secure data storage, and easy access when needed. Whether you want to safeguard your vehicle, document your day-to-day activities, or simply feel more confident moving through public spaces, personal security cameras are your digital witness, always watching, always ready. Thank you for watching this informative story on enhancing personal safety with body cams and dash cams. Stay aware, stay protected, and let technology work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the DV Comm Systems channel for more professional insights on safety and technology. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.